Hello students, today we are going to see next point, that is sector of a circle. This is circle, this center, these are the radii of circle. Now these two radii divides this circle in two parts. This is called major, this part is a major sector, and this shaded portion it is called minor sector. Now we have to find, this is called arc of a circle, arc of a sector. Now we have to find area of this sector. Now formula for area of sector. There are two formulas. For area of sector करण्याचे दोन formula. First, area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now second formula, area of sector is equal to, if radius and length of arc is given, that is length of arc into radius divide by 2. This is second. And number 3, length of an arc is equal to, now length of an arc, suppose we have to find this length of an arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. These are the three formulas. Now practice set 7.3. Question number 1. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree. Find the area of the sector associated with the arc. We have given pi is equal to 3.14. Now here, first write down given here radius of a circle, that is r is equal to 10 centimeter. R is equal to 10 centimeter. Measure of an arc of the circle is 54 degree, that is theta is equal to 54 degree. We have to find the area of sector associated with the arc, that is, now we have to find area of sector. Now area of sector, now formula is area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now put values, theta is 54 divided by 360 into pi is 3.14 we have given into r square, value of r is 10, therefore 10 square. Now here dividing by 18, 320. Now equal to 3 into 3.14 into 10 square is 100 divided by 20. Divide by 20. 3 into 3.14 into 10 square is 100 divided by 20. Here dividing by 20, 1, 5. Now taking multiplication, 5 into 3, 15, 15 multiplying by 3.14. 15 na multiply kara. 5 into 3, 15 multiplying by 15, 15 into 4, 15 into 4, 60, carry 6, 15 into 1, 15 plus 6, 21, carry 2, 15 into 3, 45 plus 2, 47. That is 47.10. That is equal to 47.1 centimeter square. This is the area of sector. Now question number 2. Measure of an arc of a circle is 80 centimeter and its radius is 18 centimeter. Find the length of the arc. Now first write down given here. Measure of an arc of a circle is 80 centimeter. That is theta is equal to, measure of an arc, theta is equal to 80 centimeter. And its radius, that is r, is equal to 18 centimeter. We have to find length of arc. Now write down formula. Length of arc is equal to, now what is the formula? Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Here 2 pi r is the circumference of circle. Now put values. Theta is 80 divided by 360 into 2 into, put value of pi is 3.14 into radius r is 18. Now here 1 0 get cancelled. Dividing by 18 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Now 8 into 3.14 divided by 1. That is multiplying by 8. 8 into 4. Or write down 8 into 3.14 is equal to 8 into 4 32, carry 3. 8 plus 3 11, carry 1. 24 plus 1 25. Therefore 25.12 square centimeter or centimeter square. This is our answer. Length of arc. Therefore length of arc is equal to 25.12 centimeter square. This is the answer. काय दिलंय? दिलेले व्हॅल्यू लिहिले अगोदर थीटा आणि रेडियस. नंतर फॉर्म्युला लिहिला. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इज इक्वल टू थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू 2 पाय आर. यामध्ये व्हॅल्यू ठेवल्या. थीटा 80, 2 इंटू पाय इज 3.14, आर इज 18. 0 0 कॅन्सल झाले. 18 ने डिवाइड केलं 2 2 कॅन्सल झाले. या दोन्हीचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 25.12 centimeter square. Question number 3. Radius of a sector of a circle is 3.5 centimeter and length of its arc is 2.2 centimeter. Find the area of the sector. Now first write down given here. Radius of sector of a circle, that is r, is equal to 3.5 centimeter and length of arc is equal to 2.2 centimeter. We have to find area of sector. Now write down formula for area of sector. Now area of sector आपल्याला रेडियस आणि लेंथ माहित आहे. मग लेंथ आणि रेडियसच्या फॉर्म मध्ये फॉर्म्युला लिहा. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इनटू रेडियस डिवाइड बाय 2 is equal to, now put values. Length of arc is 2.2 into radius is 3.5 divided by 2. Now here dividing by 2, 1 1.1. Now take multiplication. 35 into 1 is 35. 5 carry 3. 35 into 1 is 35 plus 3. That is 38. 1, 2. Therefore 3.85. This is area. Therefore square centimeter or centimeter square. Therefore what is the answer? Therefore area of sector is equal to 3.85 centimeter square. This is the answer. Radius आणि length of arc दिलाय. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टरचा फॉर्म्युला लिहिला आपण लेंथ आणि रेडियसच्या फॉर्म मध्ये. त्यामध्ये किमती ठेवल्या. आन्सर आलं एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 3.85 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर. Question number 4. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter and area of a sector is 100 centimeter square. Find the area of its corresponding major sector. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय दिलेले आहे पहा. Radius, suppose this is a circle, we have given radius is 10 centimeter. Radius of circle is 10 centimeter and measure of arc, measure of area of sector किती दिलाय 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर. समजा हा एरिया 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर आहे. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर. तर काय करावं लागेल फर्स्ट फाइंड एरिया ऑफ सर्कल बाय युजिंग फॉर्म्युला पाय आर स्क्वेअर. रेडियस माहित आहे, पायची किंमत माहित आहे. अगोदर सर्कलचा एरिया काढायचा. सर्कलच्या एरिया मधून एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर मायनस करायचा म्हणजे आपल्याला काय मिळेल एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर. सर्कलच्या एरिया मधून मायनर सेक्टरचा एरिया मायनस केला तर एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर मिळेल. नाउ राइट डाउन हियर. फर्स्ट राइट डाउन गिवन R is equal to 10 centimeter. Area of sector is equal to 100 centimeter square. Now first find area of circle. Now area of circle is equal to, formula is pi r square equal to, value of pi is 3.14 into r is 10, therefore 10 square is equal to 3.14 into 10 square is 100. 100 ना मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर काही डेसिमल पॉइंट 2 ना पुढे सरकवलं लागलं. इथं 2 झिरो आहेत म्हणून that is 314 centimeter square. This is area of circle. सर्कलचा एरिया माहित आहे, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर माहित आहे. त्यावरून काय काढायचं एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर. नाउ राइट डाउन फॉर्म्युला. नाउ एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर is equal to, area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. Now put values. Area of circle is 314 minus area of minor sector is 100. हे आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे. 314 minus 100 that is 214 centimeter square. Therefore write down answer. We have to find area of corresponding major sector. Therefore the area of corresponding major sector is 214 centimeter square. This is the answer. पहा दिलेल्या किमती लिहिल्या, रेडियस आणि एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर म्हणजे मायनर सेक्टर दिलेला आहे, मेजर सेक्टर काढायचा आहे. यासाठी एरिया ऑफ सर्कलचा फॉर्म्युला वापरला पाय आर स्क्वेअर, तेव्हा सर्कलचा एरिया काढला 314 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर. एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर, हा मेजर सेक्टर इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सर्कल मायनस एरिया ऑफ मायनर सेक्टर. यांच्या किमती ठेवल्या 214 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर. काय आलं? एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर. Question number 5. Area of sector of a circle of radius 15 centimeter is 30 centimeter square. Find the length of arc of the sector. Now first write down here we have given area of sector of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. That is R is equal to 15 centimeter. आणखीन काय दिलंय? एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर किती? 30 centimeter square. That is area of sector is equal to 30 centimeter square. We have to find length of arc. आपल्याला length of arc काढायची. रेडियस, लेंथ आणि एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर या संबंधित फॉर्म्युला काय? एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इनटू रेडियस डिवाइड बाय 2. We have to use this formula. Now, area of sector is equal to length of arc into radius divided by 2. This is the formula. Now write down, put values. Area of sector किती? 30 is equal to length of arc आपल्याला काढायची. length of arc into radius is 15 divided by 2. Now write down this equation for length of arc. Therefore length of arc is equal to 30 into 2 divided by, इथं multiply काय होते? Divide by 15. Now dividing by 15, 1, 2. Therefore is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Therefore answer is find the length of arc. Therefore length of arc is 4 centimeter. Length of arc is 4 centimeter. This is the answer. दिलेल्या किमती लिहिल्या, रेडियस आणि एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर दिलाय. ह्या दोन्हीच्या संदर्भातला फॉर्म्युला काय? एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ आर्क इंटू रेडियस डिवाइड बाय 2. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर किंमत ठेवली, नंतर रेडियस किंमत ठेवली, डिवाइड बाय 2. हे इक्वेशन लेंथ ऑफ आर्क साठी लिहिलं, त्यावरून किंमत काढली 4. Therefore length of arc is 4 centimeter.